Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use any photo you like as a watch face, whether you already have it on your photo library or if you want to search for one online. For example, for this band I want to use strawberries, so I'm going to look for strawberry wallpaper, and you just type whatever you want, and then when you find the one that you like, you tap on it, and then you tap again, and you're going to see that, and you save to photos, and now it's going to be in your library. So you select the photo you want, and you're gonna see this share button. So you scroll down and you will see create watch face, and you will have this menu with the time in the middle, either up or down, or kaleidoscope, which moves and it looks very pretty. So I'm gonna use this one, and down here you can change the font of the time. I'm gonna use that one, and I don't want the date on the top, so no complications for me. And then you just click add, and it's going to be on your watch right away. And that's how you can use any photo you like as a watch face.